taking over or buying or acquiring a large company, or is Berkshire Specialty doing well enough that you're content with that organic growth?
I would say that it's almost certain that I don't want to say 100% certain, but it's almost certain we will not take over a large commercial insurance company. We've got the ideal operation, in my view, in Berkshire Hathaway Specialty. We've got the right people running it. We've got Ajit overseeing it. We've got more capital than any commercial insurance company in the world, so that our security and therefore our policies are really better than anyone else's. So we've got all these things going for us, and if we bought a big operation, we'd have paid a very substantial non-deductible acquisition premium. And this way, we've actually made money while we're in the building stage, and I think that it can be a very, very big operation 5 or 10 years from now. So it's almost zero probability that we'll buy somebody else. Charlie?
Well, I certainly agree with you.
Okay. That's how he keeps his job. We'll go to, incidentally, all the overflow rooms, including at the Hilton, got filled. I'm not sure where Station 11 is, but we always lose a fair number at lunchtime. So now I'm sure everybody can find a seat, but we do apologize to those who could not find a seat this morning.